Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain form handling in Vue.js. So these are all the form handling events. You can create text box, text area, menu box, checkbox, radio button, and submit button. So what are all the form elements we have in HTML, you can include all the elements in Vue.js also. So we have two section template and script. You can propagate all the data from template to script and from script to template. So this is called two-way binding. So from template to script and from script to template, we need to propagate the data, form data. So this is called two-way binding. So v hyphen model, this is the directive which is used to create this two-way binding in Vue.js. Just I'm going to give one demo now. I'm going to create text box and summary, that is text area. So first one, we have three sections, right? So already I have defined one data property, that is form values. In this form values name and summary, define these data property with empty. Okay, because user only have to give some data value here, name and summary. And go to the template section, create a form element. If you submit this form, a submit form method will be called. We need to define the submit form method and create label. So first, just I'm going to create one text box and text area. So text box for name and text area for summary or feedback. You can give any name here. So label name is name. So this is my label name and close the label. Text input type equal to text, and you can also give some ID. So here the ID is name. Okay, you can give any name here. And we model this directive which is used to create two-way bindings in Vue.js. So v hyphen model equal to I need name value alone. Okay, so mention form element. See here in the data property, the form element which contains name and summary. So form values dot name. Okay, so whatever the value the user they're entering. Okay, so whatever the value the user enters, that value it will be stored into that particular variable name. The data property name is name. And open another division tag and create text area. First, what is the label here? You can give any label. Summary or feedback. Okay, and close the label tag. And now create text area box. ID is, can give ID here. I'm giving profile and v model. So v model equal to form values dot. So what name I'm giving here? Summary. So just specify it and close the division tag and create button, submit button. Okay. and close the form also. Now go to the data property define method. What is the method? If you click or if you click the submit button, that submit form, this is the method name, it will be invoked. So here put comma and define your own method. Already have explained the how to define method in Vue.js. Okay, just to view my previous videos. My method name is submit form. So whatever the event, that is the event is submit. Okay, if you submit, then this method will be called, and it prevents some default uh, action. So event dot prevent default. Then whatever the value are typing when you submit that uh, form, you can view all the values in the console. So form values, this dot form values. So what is the data property I have defined here? Form values. So use that name here. Save this file. Text area, just spelling mistake. Event, also spelling mistake. Sorry, event. Okay. Now go to the browser, refresh this one. Just I'm giving a name like Aaron, and you can give any summary report. Just I'm giving hello. Submit this value. Right click, inspect this page. Go to console part. See here, when you submit this value, name equal to what name I'm giving here, Arun. So name equal to Arun and summary equal to hello. So whatever the data I'm giving here, all the data it will be stored into the particular data property name called a name and a summary. Okay. So we need two-way binding here from template section to script, and from when you want to load some data value, you can easily load it from script section to template. So that's why we need two-way binding here. For that you can use v model directive, which is used to create that two-way binding in Vue.js. Okay, so v hyphen model, this is a very important term, directive, which we need here to implement form handling concept in Vue.js. That's all. Just include another form elements also, like checkbox, radio button, menus. Likewise, you can include all the form elements in Vue.js. Just try this program. Thank you.